Comparatives. When do we add ER? When do we add more? When do we change a Y to I and then add ER? After this video, you will understand all of them. And at the end, there is a 10-sentence activity for you to practice. So watch all the way to the end and let's go. So what are comparatives? We use comparatives when we compare two things. Some we use ER, some we use more. It depends on the syllables. What's a syllable? A syllable is word sounds. My house is bigger than yours. This book is more interesting than that one. When do we add ER? We add ER when there's one syllable, one sound in the word. Small, cold, fast. It turns it into a two-syllable word. Smaller, colder, faster. As with English, there are also special rules. A special rule for a single syllable comparative if it is CVC. CVC? What words have the letters CVC in them? None of them. CVC. Consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. CVC. So if the last three letters are a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, we double the last consonant. Big becomes bigger. GGER. Hot becomes hotter. TTER. Sad becomes sadder. DDER. But don't double the consonant if the words end in two consonants or a vowel. Cheap, cheap-per. Neat, no, don't do it. Consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last consonant. Adjectives ending in Y. Now, if your adjective ends in a Y, we take the Y, we throw it away. We change the Y to I, and then we add ER. Happy becomes happier. Busy, busier. Easy, easier. But again, more rules. If it's only a one-syllable word that ends in Y, we just leave the Y and we add ER. Shy, shyer, YER. You can do SHIER, which is very American, but accepted British English is shyer, SHYER. That was short adjectives. For longer adjectives, adjectives that have two or more syllables, we don't add ER. We put more in front of it. We don't say, my watch is expensiver than yours. It's more expensive. Expensive. 3 syllables. Beautiful. More beautiful. Comfortable. More comfortable. Remember, it's not comfortable. 4 syllables. It's comfortable. 3 syllables. More expensive, more beautiful, more comfortable. Irregular comparatives, because where would the English language be without irregularity? Of course, it has exceptions. These are called irregular comparatives. Unfortunately, you just have to remember them. But here are a couple. Good becomes better, not gooder, better. Bad, worse, far, farther, or far, further. Again, guys, you just have to remember these. Don't forget than. We usually say than after a comparative. My bag is heavier than yours. This street is busier than that one. Than. Because we're comparing two things. This than that. This than that. Hotter than that. Colder than that. Now that you understand comparatives completely and fully, let's have a little bit of an exercise. I'm going to put 10 sentences on the screen At the end of the sentence, there is an adjective in brackets or parenthesis. You have to change that to the correct form of the comparative. I will give you 30 seconds to look at them, write your answers in, and then we'll go over them one by one. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I hope you're finished. Let's have a look at these. This test was easier, E-A-S-I-E-R, than the last one. Today is hotter, T-T-E-R, than yesterday. My car is faster than yours. I'm feeling happier now. This phone is more expensive than the old one. Your English is getting better every day. This room is bigger than that one. He is taller than his brother. The movie was more boring than I expected. Her handwriting is neater than mine. So how did you do, guys? 100% as always? If not, it doesn't matter, because what we need is practice, practice, practice. So that's our short video for today on comparative adjectives. I will do another video on superlative adjectives. Hot, hotter, hottest. Hot adjective, hotter comparative adjective, hottest superlative adjective. So wait around for another video on that. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Tell me how you did on our exercise and any suggestions or recommendations for any videos you would like me to see. Until that time, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.